Hi my country pipo, how una dey? Na newspaper review tori I bring una from Naija and all over the world. My name na Omogbemisola. Federal High Court wey siddon for Abuja don discharge the president of Miyetti Allah Korora Corps, Alhaji Bello Bodejo, from the case of terrorism wey dem take accuse am from the Office of Attorney General of the Federation (AGF). Na inside short ruling wey happen today, Justice Inyang Ekwo discharge Bodejo after AGF lawyer Aderonke Imana moves the motion wey dem take withdraw the 3-count charge. She say na Honourable Attorney General of the Federation instruct am to withdraw the case against the defendant in the interest of justice. Bodejo's lawyer Ahmed Raji, wey be senior advocate of Nigeria, no oppose the application as e thank AGF Lateef Fagbemi for dis big help. Na dis same way Justice Ekwo take strike out the legal action wey Senator Jimoh Ibrahim take tackle the candidacy of Ondo State Governor Lucky Aiyedatiwa as governorship candidate of All Progressives Congress (APC) for Ondo State. The case na to challenge the conduct of the primary election wey produce Aiyedatiwa against the gubernatorial election wey dey come. Na May 14 Justice Ekwo order APC, Aiyedatiwa and INEC make dem file their defence to tackle the suit wey wan make dem remove Aiyedatiwa as APC governorship candidate for November 2024 election. But na inside court proceedings, Ibrahim lawyer Mike Uche inform the court say im client don make up im mind to withdraw from the suit. E tell Justice Ekwo say dem don already serve all the defendants withdrawal notice wey carry May 27 but file on May 28, and all the lawyer wey represent all the defendants don confirm say dem don receive their withdrawal notice without any objection. Na after dis one Justice Ekwo come dismiss the suit patapata. Dis further tori dey inside Daily Post. President Bola Tinubu don sign the national anthem bill wey want make country people return back to the old national anthem "We Hail Thee" into law. Na Senate President Godswill Akpabio announce dis for joint sitting wey happen for Senate and House of Representatives today, Wednesday. Meanwhile, President Bola Tinubu wey address the lawmakers say e go soon bring the 2024 supplementary bill. Na inside im welcome address, Akpabio tok say president just stop over to greet the lawmakers because e only come there come commission the National Assembly Library. Speaker of the House Tajudeen Abbas come apologize for the fake information dem pass before about the visit of the president. E say na mistake on the part of the National Assembly. E say president don tok am say make every speech wait till June 12 wey be Democracy Day, na just to flag off the recitation of the new national anthem after e don sign am. Dis further tori dey inside Vanguard newspaper. Former President of Nigeria Muhammadu Buhari don ex ten d im best wishes to President Bola Tinubu as e complete 1 year for office. Na inside statement wey Malam Garba Shehu carry come outside, Buhari dey beg country pipo make dem continue to follow the path for national unity and goodwill. E also beg dem make dem give their blessing and support to Tinubu administration so that e go succeed for im efforts to build Nigeria wey we dey dream of, as e wish Tinubu successful tenure for office. Dis further tori dey inside Vanguard newspaper. Chief Justice of Nigeria (CJN) Justice Olukayode Ariwoola don summon Chief Judge of the Federal High Court and Chief Judge of Kano State High Court make dem appear before am on top the conflicting interim injunctions wey dey cause fight over Kano Emirate. Justice S.A. Amobeba from Federal High Court, Kano, first issue interim order make dem comot Emir Muhammadu Sanusi II from Kofa Kudu Palace, make dem return 15th Emir of Kano Aminu Ado Bayero. Justice Amina Adamu Aliyu from Kano State High Court too issue injunction wey protect Muhammadu Sanusi II and other security agents make dem no harass Sanusi. Make dem no seize im key symbol of authority like the twin spear, the royal heart of Dabo, and im shoe wey be like ostrich feather. Dis two orders don cause kasala for Kano before State High Court come set further hearing to June 13, while Federal High Court set im own for June 4. Dis further tori dey inside Leadership. Kannywood film industry don lose one of im veteran actress, Fatima Usman aka Fati Slow Motion. Na one Kano-based activist, Mansura Isa, announce the death of Fati yesterday for her Facebook page. According to her, the actress die on Monday night for Habasha near Sudan, where dem go bury am, but dem go receive her condolences for her family house for Ngwa Uku for Kano State. Executive Secretary of the Kano State Censorship Board, Abba El Mustapha, confirmed dis incident for im X handle as e pray for the repose of her soul and allow mercy. Fati Slow Motion don dey with Kannywood movie industry since 15 years. Dis further tori dey inside Leadership. If una gbadun dis tori, make una help me subscribe, like, share and comment so dat we go dey notify una as other tori dey shele.